fokus di depan satu Cok. Kasihan
Ya,
ini.
let them come,
belum di sini.
Lihat nggak ada.
let them come in a bit, 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 let them come in a bit. Guys, engage northeast on Felix, bro. Felix, you count your engage. Northeast on Felix, guys. Felix, count now. Do it.
Okay, 5,
No,
4,
do it.
3.
On northeast, guys. 3, 2, 1. Engage on northeast. And come back. Good it. Come back. Just come back.
Mana.
Walk back. Pop Giga, walk back. Pop Giga, walk back. Really good it. Fuyos, come back. Heal Fuyos, guys. Heal Fuyos. Walk back south. Back south. Full back south. Let them push. They will push now because our engage slow. Yeah, it's okay. Walk back south. It's okay. I want them to
Kasih tahu Cok.
go down the choke, guys. Look your collar behind you. Go down the choke. Go down the choke south.
Kalian ini
Go down
kalau
the choke south.
nggak
Engage
lagi
on the
push,
choke, okay? Go down the choke south. We'll engage on the choke. DPS get
aku
ready.
mau
We'll engage on the
tahan di
choke.
sini.
Go down the
Dia
choke, guys.
bakal nge-push, man.
Go down the
They're
look
looking
northeast of the choke. Guys, look northeast of the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On you. Really big. Finish.
Oke, sampai.
Yami Hime. Go back down the choke. Back. Go back, guys. Go back down the choke. Back down the choke.
They push. Get back.
Okay, go back down the choke. They cannot push. We have depth tank. Go back down the choke, guys. Go back down the choke and dab this. Walk up the choke, guys. Walk up the choke. Look northeast on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage now. On me. Okay, clear it. Okay. QW on me, guys. QW on me, and go back down the choke. Back down the choke. No. Go back. Everyone go back down the choke. Back down.
Defend.
It's okay. Go back. Tap this and go back. Heal front line. Depth tank, come back. Silverus, come back. Neville, come back.
Ah, kalian.
We need to make them walk in. Fuyos, come back. We need to make them walk in. Fuyos, come back. Down the choke. Go down the choke. Make them walk in, bro. If they not walk in, we cannot clap. Down. Go down.
Clap dia juga nggak begitu sakit
Go
banget.
down. Guys, I will not transform this time on the engage, okay? DPS, get ready. Engage on me. Wait. Come. Dab this. Stabilize on the choke, guys. Stabilize on the choke. Look on me inside, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage on me now. On me. Nice. Come back. Come back down the choke. Go down the choke. Go down the choke, guys. Go down the choke. Trust me, go down the choke. Go down the choke and QW inside. QW, God bless. Everyone QW, God bless. Just catching. QW, God bless.
Ayo,
QW, God bless.
Don't play so slow.
You wanna play fast? Okay, come. Walk northeast, guys. Walk northeast on me. Northeast on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really big. Finish.
Nah,
And go back. Go back a bit. Stabilize a bit. Dab. Go southwest. Walk southwest. QW on me, guys. Heal Masa. Kill mob. Look northeast on me, guys. In backline. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage now. On me. Nice. Go back south. Back south. Don't go in the camp. Back south. They have OP. Go back south. Guys. Go back south. Come back. My def tank, come back. Rabbit, come back. Don't go in OP.
King Silverus.
Come back. Guys, look north on me. After this, look north on me. Counter, guys. Full counter on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage now. On Salima. Catch Salima. Kill Salima. And go back. You miss. Go back. It's okay. Go back. Go back and he full heal. Come back. Yeah. It's okay. Come back. You guys come back. Let them walk in. He'll rabbit. Let them walk in a bit. And catch. God bless. Okay, miss. Wait, let them walk in a bit, bro. Okay, push. Come with me. Yeah, come with me, guys. Come with me. Come northwest. Walk northwest. Guys, down the choke, okay? Down the choke. Fast down the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage now. Drop damage, drop damage. No, 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 no. The fuck? Escape again.
I'm lagging. What the fuck?
Knight on the choke, 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 knight on the choke. And hold. Catch God bless, QW God bless, QW God bless. Kill now. QW God bless, full QW God bless. And don't go down the choke, don't go down the choke. Hold. We engage in 4 seconds, guys. We engage in 4 seconds. Guys are looking. Def now. Nice def. Look down the choke, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage now. On me. Big. Nice. QW on me. And go up the choke again. Go up the choke. QW, kill God bless, guys. QW God bless inside.
Hilapron.
Heal level, guys. Heal level. And look. Guys. Def inside.
They're coming, engage, and they're engaging.
Look northwest, guys. Look northwest on me. 5, 4. Wait. No. Stay on the choke. Hold. Guys, hold choke 2 seconds. Hold choke 2 seconds. Okay, look on me, guys. Down the choke. Look on me down the choke. Guys, look on me down the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage on me. What happened, guys? Come back down the. Come back, guys. Come back up the choke. Come back up the choke. Everyone come back. Silverus also come back, bro.
Tara 8 ya.
Rabbit come back. Silverus Rabbit come back. And stabilize, guys. Everyone ready? DPS, if you ready, come to me. Come walk down the choke, guys. Walk down the choke. Look southeast on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really big. Finish. On me. Nice. DPS. Nice. And go back northeast a bit. Def this. Silverus. Nice. Heal up. Heal my front line. Heal Makima, guys. Heal front line, guys. Heal front line. Heals on the front. Everyone heals on the front. And look southeast on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish. And go back a bit. They will counter now. Go back a bit. I stop them. Go back. I stop the DPS. Go back a bit. Stabilize. Full heal everyone. Full heal and walk south. QW on me. Walk south. QW on me. Keep walk. Go southeast, guys. Come southeast. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage now. Def. Pop Giga. Everyone pop Giga. And walk south, guys. Walk south. We finish in this. Walk south. DPS, tell me when you're ready. Rams, tell me when you're ready. DPS, tell me when you're ready. Walk south, guys. Walk south. Heal rabbit front line. Def. After this. Counter on me, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage on me. Finish. Nice it. QW on me. QW on me, guys. QW on me. Finish. On me. QW on me. Def. Engage. Pop Giga. And walk south. Guys. Pop Giga, walk south. DPS, tell me when you're ready. We finish this. DPS, tell me when you're ready. Heal. No. Stabilize. Alpha dead from Carleon. Careful, Carleon. Come southwest. Come northwest. Guys. Stabilize on me, guys. Look on the choke, guys. Look on the choke. 5. Wait. 5. I am stunned. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. On the choke. Nice it, guys. Nice it. Hold choke. QW inside. QW on shin. Def this. Def. Walk up northeast, guys. Walk up northeast. Engage in 5 seconds. QW inside. Full heal front line. And walk up northeast. Northeast on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big. Finish. On me. Nice delete, guys. Finish them. Finish. Carleon, careful. Def. Look on me. Come south on me. Guys, come south on me.
Ready.
Wait 2 seconds. Come south. QW this, QW this, QW this,
Yeah.
QW inside, QW inside, QW inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop edge on me now. Kill this. And QW, keep QW on me, QW on me, QW on me, guys. QW on me and finish this. Finish, 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 finish. Finish the healer, guys. Finish the healer. And QW, just QW them. QW them. And wait for their. Just kill Keropi first. Kill Keropi. Dep. What the fuck?
Oh my.
I take your side, tuck away, take from me, okay? QW inside, guys. Engage inside, guys. Engage inside on me. 5, 4, 3. Wait, I am overweight. What the fuck? Engage. Oh, I loot Akwe set and I got overweight.
Paper yang
Hey, kill this healer, bro.
Kill bike. Kind, team on team.
like Pupi lah.
You don't.
Yeah, we done. Good fight. Just kill Carleon. I asked for round 2. Wait, I asked Lucas round 2.
Bro, inferior, hear me.
Hey,
Swan
help
Lane,
me.
Ping.
Mana, di
Where?
mana?
Aduh, itu ping
What
dari
the
tadi.
fuck? Sorry, man. Sorry.
Notice, Monap. If you behind Monap.
I'm on the. Come to me, guys. Come to me.
Inferior,
Come to me.
Ran, heal gua. Blood beat gua kan.
Hey, he was in party, right? He was in party with them, right? No, he was random. Yeah, Lucas already tell me he
Hey,
random.
Monap, if you behind Monap, please.
Ren bisa ngelut.
Just kill these two, bro. Kill these
Kali
two.
please,
Don't
kali.
focus on people.
Tadi ganggu orang
Ada ya,
Over here, guys.
Guys, careful inside. Don't go inside. Careful inside. QW, just QW them. QW. I take the mob aggro. QW him. Kill him. On me.
Ayah sih ikut nge-clap tadi.
Kill this guy.
Kayaknya mati.
Kill this.
Zoe, I got your look, Zoe.
Oh, gap. We cannot gap this. Yeah, Rabbit, what were you saying? Hear you. You saying something?
C7 just spread Zoe set in bank later.
And Akwe, take your set from me. Mount up, guys. Mount up. Be aggro. We cannot gap. Wait, I think. Wait, listen. Wait. 1 second. Yeah, I know. Because I think